Hello, everybody. Welcome. Today's topic is what is self? All right, let me write down first. A little bit dim. Can you see it? Oh, okay. What is self? In other words, you can say what am I, or who am I, or similar ideas. This is the topic since ancient Greek time. Ancient philosophers, as in my book I said, talk about this a lot. This is one of the four basic questions. The other three are what is the world and where I am and how should I conduct myself. In my book, Instancology, I call it four basic questions philosophy is trying to answer all the time since ancient Greek time. Okay, before I go into the topic and into the details, I want to say something about the theory, uh, knowledge about theory. Any new theory, and if it's truly new and truly valuable, like I think mine uh, is, and in psychology and absolutology. According to the philosophy of science, according to Thomas Kuhn's theory, it's a new paradigm. Okay, a new paradigm should be able to solve new problems, to answer some questions, challenging questions raised in the past. Okay, and also according to Popper, another famous philosopher in the science, in the philosophy of science, and any new theory should be able to be falsified, should give new predictions to be falsified. And according to him, Marxist is falsified already to prove is wrong, just because of this reason, right? Uh, for example, we know Einstein, when he launched his general relativity and he predicted the stars behind the sun will pass light to Earth, but it's bended. All right, how to prove it? When the sun have has eclipse, and you can see it. So the British Sir Eddington and took a team to Africa to to find out. And actually, all of the world, there's five, six teams competing and trying to find out if that's true. And of course, because of the British scientist discovery, and he proves uh, Einstein theory, so it's correct. Einstein become world famous overnight. Okay, but the lesson we learned is, if your theory is new, you should answer all the questions. Otherwise, you cannot say your new theory has any value in it. So I think that's the reason we deal with any new theories. But philosophy is different from science prediction. But anyway, philosophy is not measured in experimental science, but should give new explanation, right, to old questions. That's for sure. And good or bad, is it valid or not, the philosophers of the world, the rest of the people can judge